and in we go. Watch this car joining. First gear, just rolling through easy, just shadowing that front brake. Okay, cars are moving. What I'm going to do is move over here, give them a little thanks of my hazards. Wait for it to back off again. I wonder if this learner wants to come with me. Let's not scare them too much. Just sneak on by. So, with a bit of luck, now that's worked nicely for me. Remember, most of these cars are not expecting you to be doing this. There's not that many motorbikes in Liverpool, I'll be honest with you. So a lot of the drivers are not looking out for you. It's not like in Brazil or these other countries where there's hundreds and hundreds of bikes all the time. The cars are so used to them coming up in between you. Here it's just not the same. I know in London it will be. There's a lot more bikes in London, but in Liverpool there's just not that many. That's a wide car. Now what I'm going to do is move over, use this lane. No, this isn't so good. Kind of got myself into a worse position. So what I'm going to do is indicate left. It's okay, thank you. Most car drivers, if you're polite with them, they'll let you by. Most of them know that you're going to be on your way as soon as things open up. So that guy, they'll let me in, no inconvenience to him at all. So there's someone changing the lanes here, so I'm going to hang right back, let them change. Just insert myself here. The taxi's quite far over. Now you can see he's just come back over to the line. I mean, there's not much they can do, is there? They can try and make it hard for you, but eventually you're going to get past. It's a little bit tight. This is why I'm bringing in the mirrors. Now I just do want to get here before this red light turns. Pop myself in. Now and away we go, on to the next one. Now I know this merge is left, so I'm not going to go up the right hand side. These three lanes merge into two on the left, so I'm going to stick with the left hand channel. And I'll just plonk myself, I can get through there. Green light, always keep an eye on the light. I'm going to use this space here. again, little hazards to thank them. Again, move on over. There's one guy here. So they're gone, they're two up. I believe they're two up. Oh no, it's just one guy. It's the way his helmet is. Looks like there's two riders. I don't want to pressure them into going too fast. We're making good progress. Now what I love about following a bike is if anyone is going to move over and give us more space, then they're going to do it for the rider ahead. It takes a little bit of pressure off whoever's following. That brings a little bit more awareness to the cars as you approach. I wonder if this guy's going the same way as me. Now, you're not meant to approach the lead car. We're on a green light. I'm peeling off left. Mirrors back out. Okay, edge lane complete. Well, that was my first time ever trying a vlog style video, and it's not easy talking to yourself in your helmet while you're riding. I hope you enjoyed that one. Let me know down below if you did and if you'd like to see more like it. That's it for now. I'll see you next time, and as always, ride safe.